Alright, hi everyone. Today we're just going to go over adding and subtracting decimals. Okay, and you can see up in the top corner we've got the first rule we call our PUP rule, and our PUP rule is we have our points under points. So all that means is that when we're doing sums, if it's written horizontally, let's try writing it vertically, and we're going to line up our points to make sure that our points are in one straight line, and therefore our numbers will just fit into the columns as we need them to. So you can see here that all my decimal points are lined up. If I'm getting confused and I've written down this sum here, and I know that's a plus sum, you can see all of my numbers are in the correct column. So, but over here, I've got 3 hundredths on their own. So if I'm confused by that, it's quite happy for you to write in a 0 there, just to even them all up. And we've got 1/10 over here. Some people like to put a 0 in there. I don't think we need to do it today. But if you would like to do that, by all means, feel free. So let's add up by starting on this column over here first. 0 and 0 and 3 is 3. Oh, first thing we should have done is put our decimal in, so we know here 0, all the decimals are lined up. Put our decimal in there so we know where it goes. 6 and 9 is 15 and 2 is 17. So it's going to be 7. Put our 1 up here. 1, 7 and 1 is 9. And 1 left over on the end, 19. So our answer to that sum of 17.6 plus 1.9 plus 0.23 is 19.73. Okay, so the next thing we need to do then is have a look at how we do takeaways, and takeaways are exactly the same process. Oops, let's get the pen going. Takeaways are exactly the same process, lining our points up under points. This one's nice and simple. So we're going to have 2.93. Oh, we're going to have a problem here, so I have to do a bit of trading. Okay, so let's put our decimal in first. All our points are lined up, points under points. And then we start with the smallest column first. So we start over here with a 5, take away 3 is going to be 2. 0, take away 9. Okay, don't be tempted to do the bottom from the top and have what we call the horse riding the jockey. We always start at the top like we read a book. So 0, take away 9 we can't do, so we have to trade from this column here. We make that 6, we make that 10. 10 take away 9 is 1. 6 take away 2 is 4. So therefore we have that. The answer to this sum, 7.05, take away 2.93. The answer is 4.12. And we just better have one quick look at how we do these types of sums. These are the sums where you have whole numbers mixed in with decimals. And so we just better have a quick look. So when I did this in class the other day, a lot of people sort of forgot this one. So what do we do if we have no decimal point? You can see here, this one here is 2.68. So as we said previously, just make our decimal points and we line them up and make sure we put zeros at the top, and then we've covered all the bases where everything's got something lined up with it, apart from the one on the end, which we don't need. So then we're going to start working our way across. So 2 ways you can do it. One is we could trade all the way across by crossing out the 9, making that 8, making 10 there. So we do that one, 10 there, make that 9, okay, make that 10. Still can't do the first sum. Make that 9, make that 10. So we could suddenly work that way. Some people also like to use this method, where we would have 90, like this, and we put a circle around it. What some people used to call it the magic box. There's nothing that magic about it. That's 900, so we're going to cross that out. We're going to make that 899, and make that 10. Okay, so either way, they're both the same. You use the one that's more effective for you. First thing we need to do is put our points under points, so everything's lined up. 10 take away 8 is 2, 9 take away 6 is 3, 9 take away 2 is 7, and then we've got 8 left on the end. So 90 take away 2.68 is 87.32.